Good afternoon, Julio. My name is Jessica, and I'm the owner of Peterson SEO, your local Chico marketing company. And we're in the businesses of helping businesses like yours grow to their full potential. But we're so much more than that. We've recently been appointed as your Butte County Better Business Bureau Ambassador. So we're actually here to help answer any questions you might have, any frustrations, any tools that you might need that we can help you with, or the Better Business Bureau can help you with. So today I just wanted to give you a few tips that you can apply so you can start growing your business. So when it comes to growing your business, you have to be in front of your customers, and you can't rely on knocking on doors, old marketing tactics, or referrals. That means you're leaving a good chunk of money on the table and you're sending those customers to your competition. So to get in front of your customers, you need to be online. When a customer does a search in Google, there are going to be 3 spots that you have the potential to own online. So the first section is going to be ads. Those are regular Google ads as well as these Google guaranteed ads. You can own this spot by having a well-optimized advertising campaign with a good budget. But only about 10% of people actually click on these links. The second section is your Google business profile. This is a really important place to be because nearly 30% of people go straight to the map pack here and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not one of these top 3 companies, then you're sending all of your customers to these companies. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are a variety of factors. One of the most important factors is something called citations, and that's simply the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you need a lot more of those than your competitors. You need to beef up your profile, fully deck that out using your relevant local keywords. Make sure that you're getting your 5-star reviews and adding more pictures than your competition. Now, the third part and most important are going to be the organic section. This is where nearly 70% of people go. They'll skip the ads, skip the maps, and go directly here. So you want to definitely work on your website to get you in this organic section. Your top competitor for Chico Roofing Companies is Chico Roofing. But let's jump at your website real quick. So I'm glad you at least have some form of a site. This is a Google business site, so it's not going to be optimized well for you. And it's going to be missing a lot of factors, but at least you have something to get started, so that's good. Your home page needs to have quite a bit of written content, and it needs to be focused around your services and then around the relevant keywords that people are actively searching for your services. So as you can see, you really don't have any written content, and content is key. You need a lot of it. You need 250 words for every local keyword that you're trying to target. And keep in mind, people search differently, so oftentimes there's many variations of similar keywords. You want to capitalize on that. And then you need to have a separate page for every type of service that is offered. So if you do residential and commercial, if you do roof repairs, flat roofs, pitched roofs, different types of roofing materials, each of those should have their own page. All of your pages throughout your website need to have original content and need to be focused on their own keywords. Otherwise, Google can penalize you for that and not show you when they should. So if we look at your top competitor, they have an okay website here. They have a click-to-call phone number. They've got an email. You can see that they have separate pages for some of their services. Not quite enough pages, but they have a good start. Let's see. They have more content here, and you can see they are using the local keywords. You want to stay away from national keywords because even though they have more volume, when you rank them, you're going to get false people on your website that you can never convert into leads because you're not servicing those areas. So you definitely want to stay focused. They've got a lot of issues on this site, but these guys should be fairly easy to beat by having more and better content and supporting your website with SEO, because without it, it is really hard to be found online. Now, if you service multiple different areas, you should also consider having different service area pages so you can be found in each of the communities that you service. Now, if we look at your website and its performance, normally we look here at the domain rating, but because you're actually using a Google site, your site is pulling the power from Google. This is not actually your metrics. You have 6 backlinks with 5 referring domains. So a referring domain is any website that provides your website with a link from their site to your site. Think of it kind of like a power supply, where the referring domain is the power source, and the backlink is that electrical cord that is being plugged in and powering your device. So this is really, really important. This is how it's going to power your website, get you in front of your customers, and rank your keywords. But not all links are created equal. So you need to make sure you're only going after the good, authoritative links that are directly related to your services and that are do follows so that they share the power. And you only have 2 that are do follows. You only have 2 relevant links. Because your site doesn't have any content, you've been indexed for 9 keywords, and you're getting about 10 people on average to your site, which I'm kind of impressed because of the lack of content. But if we look here, you only have 1 keyword that is actually ranking, and it's your brand. And unfortunately, all these branded keywords are also national terms. So even though you may have gotten 9 people on your website, none of them may have even been local. So you really do have to focus on your website keyword and content strategy and support that with SEO so you can start getting that traffic and converting that traffic into leads and customers. If we look at your competitor, they have a domain rating of a 5 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is pretty poor. And this is 100% based on their backlinks and referring domains. Google will only give you credit for 1 backlink per referring domain. So pretty much most of their links are spam. And if we look here, sorry about that. If we look here, only 23 are do follow. So you need to beat their 23 do follow links. But they do have over 100 keywords, and they're getting about 6 people to their website. If we look at their keywords, they do have a couple keywords that are on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page, and they are Chico roofing related keywords. So those are local keywords that you need to be striving to focus on. So I hope this information has been helpful for you and that you'll be able to apply it to help you grow your business. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. whether it be around your Better Business Bureau standings, accounts, tools, or whether you're looking for more marketing advice and help. Feel free to respond back to my email or send us a text or give us a call. I look forward to talking to you, Julio. Thanks for watching.